now you guys. My life just flashed in front of my eyes. $1,500. Select payment type. Okay, so day 3, I'm at the gym and I'm about to go inside right now. I just need to get some stuff. So yesterday wasn't bad. I didn't get to work out, unfortunately. Defeated the whole purpose of this challenge, but whatever. But I did eat healthy, okay? I know that. This morning before coming here, I made eggs. I had eggs and avocado. That's what I ate. Just like to get some strength to be able to lift things and stuff, because I'm gonna do some strength training, and I think I'm gonna do lower body because that's just my favorite. So that's all we're gonna start with today. My face looks so dry, but honestly I do not care. This is as good as it's getting. Okay, why am I taking this? I was gonna take this, but honestly I'm just putting my keys. I might as well just put my keys in my pocket. This is the water bottle I'm taking. I'm taking my Maca water bottle. But yeah, let's go work out. My calendar is done, you guys. It's done. Oh, I'm so proud about it. Okay, let's go ahead and tick it off. Today is day 3. I'm gonna tick off this by the end of the night, once the day is over. Don't play with me. Okay, we're gonna have this peanut bar for lunch. Protein bar, I mean. It has 20 grams of protein. And then I'm gonna have some spaghetti from yesterday. And I'm gonna have these grapes. And that's it. And water. Like I'm not crazy. Hello, please. It is now currently usiku. It's night. I don't know what time it is. What time is it? It's 8. Wow. Okay, so it's 8. Ooh, I don't understand this life. And now I'm washed out. Whatever. It's 8 o'clock. I'm making dinner. I don't want to. I swear I'm not hungry. I had, what did we have for lunch? I had like the leftover pasta that I showed you guys last night. But the problem is, I didn't get all my protein that I'm supposed to get, and that's my biggest thing. So that's what I'm really truly trying to focus on. So right now I'm making this. It's shawarma. It's like shredded beef basically. I'm gonna make tacos. I'm going to make tacos with this. But yeah, so that's what I'm cooking. And I wanted to update you guys. Like I said, I want to document this. I'm gonna upload this weekly. I did upload the first episode, just basically me shopping and talking about how I'm starting this challenge. But yeah, but mainly I'll be doing weekly like vlogs regarding the 75 hard, because I don't know if I have the energy to post every day about it. We'll see. Today, like you guys seen it this morning, I went to the gym. I did my walk and I did my strength training all at once. So even if I don't get to do my work, like if I don't get to like walk again today, it's fine, because I'm pretty sure I reached my goal. Okay, yeah, I have 9,549 steps right now. And let's see. Oh, my rings are closed. What give me this? Oh. Okay, you guys, look quickly. This keeps turning off. Don't know why. You guys are not gonna see my stove right now. It's pretty dirty, and I don't feel comfortable showing y'all because I need to clean it. I cleaned everywhere else though. So happy, so glad. Yeah, so okay, here's my meat. Here, hold it. Yo, don't cook. Come on, you're such a scaredy cat. So let me show y'all. I got these 0. Okay, now you guys. My life just flashed in front of my eyes. $1,500. Anyway, I'm so dramatic for no reason. Let me put y'all in a better angle.
Mom, you should have.
Okay, so I got these. These are high fiber, 6 grams of protein, high fiber, 0 net carbs, and only 70 calories. Actually, I think I want to use them. Okay. Let me see these ones. Okay, these are not bad too. They still have high fiber. I'm gonna make a salsa real quick, you guys. Swata! I'm not gonna put onions because I don't want to cut an onion right now. I just don't feel like it. So I'm not gonna do it because it's my life. And I can do what I want to do. Look at my pretty plate. This is my favorite plate. This plate makes me want to eat. Why is that in my head? I don't know. Eunice, you want some? Taco? Good. No need to be fancy when you're trying to lose weight. Just be quick. That's how you stay consistent. When you try to be all cute and fancy, you start losing motivation. I can't find my cutting board, so I have to like finesse how I cut things. I gotta use my hands. Yep, put the tomatoes here. Put the limes. Put some lettuce.
Let's go.
That's a lot of lettuce. I don't need that much lettuce. Where are all of my forks?
Can't you see the dishes?
We need to put these dishes in the washer. So, meat first. Oh, who am I kidding? I'm gonna use my hand.
Mama, you've been saying that the whole time.
So good. Lettuce. Lettuce.
Go.
I do wish I had like befuna. Oh, some cilantro. Almost forgot it again. Some lime.
Is that dango?
Come on, did you just take my lime? Okay, this is the... Okay. Bismillah. So I basically finished my food right here. As I was making my kids' food, I was eating mine, like my taco, and I finished it. And honestly, but anyway, that's it for today. I'll talk.
That's it for today.
That's it for today. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Yeah, duh. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye. Much love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And watch the videos to the end. Each and every time. Thank you. Bye-bye.